This is Planet Earth 2. Islands in warm, tropical waters don't experience seasonal extremes. The Seychelles, lying off the coast of East Africa, provide a sanctuary for seabirds all the year round. Fairy terns are permanent residents. They take a fairly relaxed view about what constitutes a nest. A bare branch is quite enough. Climbing onto it to incubate has to be done with care. Once a year, the noddies arrive. They do make nests, and Pisonia trees provide their young with a rather less precarious start in life. Nesting on this island looks idyllic, but behind the beauty, there's a sinister side. The Seychelles Fode makes quick work of an unattended egg. She knows something's not quite right, but her drive to incubate is strong. The noddies too have a problem. As their chicks grow, so the Pisonia tree develops seeds that are sticky and equipped with hooks. By the time the young noddies leave, they carry these hitchhiking seeds away to other islands. But sometimes the Pisonia trees are too successful. If a fledgling, testing out its wings, drops to the ground, it can get covered with the seeds. Entangled and weighed down, if it can't free itself, the youngster will starve. The Pisonia may have failed to disperse these seeds, but it will soon have fertilizer for its roots. This is why some people call the Pisonia the bird catcher tree.